Hello there. Today I'm going to be opening up this 1998 Barbie cottage. This is one that I had when I was little, so I'm pretty excited about it. There's something better than that. First box out, and then I'm bringing the nail file back out. There she is. Is it a she? I feel like this is honestly in better shape than the one that I had growing up. Oh god, these jeans give me a wedgie. A front wedgie. That's the worst kind of wedgie. I started getting back into Barbie when I was in my early 20s. Early. Let's just get all this tape off and I'll be back. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm just gonna give it a wipe down with a wipe. Pop some batteries in there and we'll see how it goes. We've got some Ajax wipes here. Gonna clean it up with some of them. I nearly forgot to clean the bar. We've got our little box of batteries. It seems to fit. It's a very rusty screwdriver. And let's see if it works. I'm not too confident, but it did say it worked on eBay. Doesn't seem like it is. I love that the phone comes off the hook there. Kind of just flings around. But it doesn't seem like it works, unfortunately. But you win some, you lose some. I will try some other batteries, let's see. So here's the house, all nice and clean. Let's have a little look through. So you just go in through the Barbie gate. It's got the pink floor. You got your clock in your kitchen with the pink phone. This is the sticker on the background. It just has some bread, some flowers and some vegetables. Bit of cereal there too. Your sink, your oven. It's missing its fridge door. Pretty much every single cottage I seen on eBay was missing the fridge door for some reason. It's got the revolving wall here. That changes the rooms. So this is your bedroom. The bed is missing. Got your cat there. You have a teddy bear with a bunch of books. All the books are gibberish. I think they've put this on the wrong side. I don't think your fish and your books are supposed to be underneath your shelf. This is the side. Just got a painting, some flowers and a little tea set with a fire. Just very cozy feeling. The art on the wall and the curtains give me 90s vibes. Little outside patio door. This is the bed that comes down. And if you lift up the top of the bed, turns into a little bath shower. Looks like a bedroom that could be in a 90s sitcom. or even an early 2000s sitcom. I will get some video of this cottage outside, just so you can see it really shine. So that is the 1998 Barbie cottage. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.